That is not blood, and somehow the real answer is weirder. In Antarctica, a red-orange spill seeps out of Taylor Glacier and stains the ice at Lake Bonny, like the glacier nicked an artery. Early explorers in 1911 guessed algae. Fair guess, wrong answer. Blood Falls is not algae, and it is not summer meltwater running off the surface. It sits in the McMurdo Dry Valleys, one of Antarctica's oddest places. Katabatic winds sweep away snow, so instead of endless white, you get bare rock, exposed ice, and this red stain that looks even more wrong. The source is a hidden brine system trapped inside and beneath the glacier. Think less waterfall, more pressure release leak from a cold, salty plumbing network that only occasionally reaches the surface. And this is the trick that makes the whole thing possible. The water is hypersaline, so salty that its freezing point drops enough for liquid brine to persist in a glacier far too cold for ordinary flowing water. Scientists have even described Taylor Glacier as the coldest known glacier, with persistently flowing water, which is a nice reminder that ice can hide plumbing if you add enough salt and enough time. So why the color? The brine carries iron-rich salts, including ferrous hydroxide. It can emerge as an icy sludge, then melt and flow, and when that iron-rich water hits the atmosphere, it oxidizes. Basically, it rusts in public. The deeper backstory is older than the glacier itself. Researchers think the source ultimately traces to ancient seawater left behind when these valleys were fjords, then trapped as glaciers advanced and the landscape changed. And Blood Falls is not just a stain at the edge. Radar tracked brine pathways deep into Taylor Glacier, almost 1,000 feet, revealing pools and channels inside the ice and linking the falls to a larger hidden groundwater system. My favorite part is that this creepy-looking leak is also a biology story. The brine hosts microbes living in darkness with little or no oxygen, which is why Blood Falls matters to astrobiology too. If life can hang on here, icy worlds start looking less empty. So the glacier is not bleeding. It is leaking ancient iron-rich brine from a hidden salty reservoir, and the red is rust blooming across the ice. Antarctica already looks alien. Blood Falls just makes the planet admit it.